Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can disable sounds in Facebook app on your device. Before you start watching this video, dear friends, please don't forget to put your like and also subscribe to the channel, and please write your comments. So let's go ahead and get started. And it's actually very easy to disable sounds in the Facebook app. To do that, please open the app itself on your device, and then go to the menu section at the bottom. Next, you'll need to tap on the gear at the top. And then please scroll down a little bit to the bottom of the settings. Find the option called Media. Click on that. And now the only thing you'll need to do is the top button will just turn off. So the sounds in the Facebook app will no longer bother you. I really hope the video helped you out. Please don't forget to put your likes, write comments, and also please subscribe to our channel. Friends, see you soon.